Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic philosopher-emperor, once penned, "Begin each day by telling yourself, 'Today I shall be meeting with interference, ingratitude, insolence, disloyalty, ill will, and selfishness, all of them due to the offender's ignorance of what is good or evil.'" This insight into embracing life's challenges sets the stage for a morning routine deeply rooted in Stoic philosophy, aimed at fostering a sense of purpose and tranquility throughout the day. Lesson 1. Reflect on the transient nature of life. Before the world awakens in a cacophony of activities, find a quiet corner. Close your eyes and visualize the vast cosmic ballet, recognizing the brevity of our existence. This practice serves as a poignant reminder of life's transience, fostering a deeper sense of purpose and prioritization. Lesson 2. Journal. Your thoughts. Journaling is not merely recording events. It's an intimate conversation with oneself. Begin each morning by jotting down your first thoughts, expressing gratitude, engaging in self-reflection, and setting daily intentions based on Stoic virtues. This practice serves as a mirror reflecting your inner world, a tool for understanding and growth. Lesson 3. Set daily intentions, not goals. Distinguish between goals and intentions. Goals focus on outcomes, achievements, and results, often beyond our control. Intentions, however, anchor us in the present moment, reflecting our values and guiding our actions. Frame your day by asking who you intend to be, fostering a shift in perspective aligned with Stoic wisdom. Lesson 4. Embrace discomfort. Challenge the modern pursuit of unbridled comfort by introducing small discomforts. From cold showers to foregoing the first cup of coffee, these acts cultivate resilience and remind us of our innate strength. Embracing discomfort is a deliberate practice that empowers, shedding unnecessary dependencies and fostering a Stoic sense of freedom. Lesson 5. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Begin your morning with mindfulness or meditation, grounding yourself in the present moment. Whether through observing your breath or visualizing thoughts as passing clouds, this practice aligns with Stoic principles, distinguishing between events and our judgments. Mindfulness becomes a mental fortress against life's uncertainties. Lesson 6. Revisit Stoic teachings. Every morning, immerse yourself in the wisdom of Stoic masters like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, or Epictetus. Approach their teachings with reverence, reflecting on passages that resonate. Journal your reflections, translating ancient wisdom into a personal doctrine. Stoicism is not just about understanding, but embodying and living the wisdom. Lesson 7. Practice amor fati. Embrace the principle of amor fati, the love of one's fate. Instead of resisting challenges, passionately accept whatever life brings. Visualize potential obstacles as integral to your journey, opportunities for growth and wisdom. Carry this philosophy throughout your day, transforming every circumstance into an opportunity for gratitude and resilience. In conclusion, the wisdom of Stoicism isn't about suppressing emotions or adopting austerity. It's about understanding existence, focusing on what's within our control, and cultivating inner peace. These 12 Stoic lessons offer a structured path to rejuvenate your mornings, adapting and evolving to your needs. As Marcus Aurelius wisely noted, the best revenge is not to be like your enemy. Choose practices that resonate with you, allowing Stoicism to be fluid in your life, transforming your mornings, days, and ultimately your life.